But want to completely change the way you approach life and manifest your desires? Here's a secret. Start your day with these powerful affirmations. We are enough. When you speak the right words first thing in the morning, you're activating the law of attraction and setting the stage for success. It's simple but incredibly effective. Say these affirmations and watch your life transform right before your eyes. The moment you open your eyes, your mind is primed for the day ahead. The first few thoughts and words you speak shape your entire experience. Why not use that time to set your intentions for the day? Instead of diving into the usual morning rush, take a few seconds to affirm the life you want. By doing this, you are programming your subconscious mind for success. When you say affirmations like, I am worthy of all the good things coming my way, you're telling your mind exactly what you want to attract. It's not about hoping for success, it's about setting the tone and signaling to the universe that you are ready to receive. The law of attraction responds to your mindset and energy, so make sure to start strong. It's not just about thinking positively, it's about speaking it into existence. Words are a form of energy, and the words you speak send vibrations out into the universe. When you speak affirmations that are rooted in positivity, you align yourself with the energy of abundance, success, and joy. Your words hold the power to create your reality. By consistently saying empowering statements such as, I attract opportunities effortlessly, you start to train your mind to look for those opportunities. You reinforce your belief that good things are on the way, and that mindset makes it easier to take action toward your goals. This simple yet powerful shift in language helps align your external world with the internal changes you're working to create. Affirmations are a tool for attracting abundance, not just in terms of money, but in every area of life. Saying things like, I am worthy of all the success I desire, or abundance flows to me easily, shifts your focus from lack to plenty. This shift in perspective is crucial for manifesting the life you want. When you affirm abundance, you're telling the universe that you are ready and open to receiving it. Your words send out a powerful signal that you're aligned with prosperity. In turn, your actions begin to reflect that. You start noticing opportunities that you might have overlooked before, and you begin to take steps towards creating the life you desire. The morning sets the tone for your entire day. Here are some affirmations to say as soon as you wake up to create the mindset of success and abundance. I am deserving of success and abundance. I attract positive energy and good things into my life. My life is filled with limitless opportunities. I trust the process of life to bring me exactly what I need. I'm aligned with the energy of prosperity and abundance. These affirmations are not just words, they are declarations that help you step into your power. The more you say them, the more your mind begins to believe them. Your thoughts shape your reality, so speak with confidence and conviction. Your morning affirmations will set the stage for the opportunities that follow. It's not just about belief, there is science behind why affirmations work. The brain's neural pathways are shaped by repetition. Every time you say an affirmation, your brain strengthens the neural connections associated with that thought. Over time, this rewires your brain, making it easier for you to believe in the possibilities you are affirming. Neuroscience also tells us that the reticular activating system, RAS, plays a role in manifesting our desires. The RAS acts as a filter for the information your brain processes. When you focus on positive affirmations, your RAS starts noticing opportunities and situations that align with those beliefs. Your brain becomes trained to see what you're affirming, making it more likely that you'll take action toward achieving your goals. To fully Harness the power of affirmations. Make them part of your morning routine. Whether it's first thing when you wake up, during your morning coffee, or while you're getting ready, commit to speaking your affirmations daily. More consistency is key. It's the more you say them, the stronger the impact. Incorporating affirmations into your morning ritual allows you to start the day with purpose and clarity. This moment of alignment sets the tone for everything that follows. As you get into the habit of saying these words, your mindset shifts and you become more receptive to the opportunities and experiences that align with your affirmations. While affirming your desires is powerful, pairing them with visualization enhances the process. As you speak your affirmations, take a moment to visualize your desired outcome. Picture yourself living the life you're affirming. See yourself surrounded by abundance, feeling successful and achieving your goals. Visualization helps your brain to internalize your affirmations. The clearer you make the picture in your mind, the more real it becomes to your subconscious. This strengthens your belief that what you're affirming is possible. The combination of speaking and visualizing your desires accelerates the manifestation process. It's common to feel some resistance or doubt when you first start using affirmations, especially if you're new to this practice. Your mind may question whether it's really possible to manifest your desires. The key is to push through that doubt by continuing to affirm and trust the process. Every time you affirm, you are breaking down old limiting beliefs and creating new empowering thoughts. Resistance will fade as you consistently repeat your affirmations. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to align your energy with your desires. Stay committed, and soon enough, you'll see evidence of your affirmations manifesting in your life. After you've set your intentions through affirmations and visualization, it's important to let go of the need to control every detail. Trust that the universe is already working on bringing your desires into fruition. Letting go of control allows the law of attraction to work more effectively. If you constantly focus on how things will happen, you create resistance. Release any attachment to specific outcomes and allow things to unfold naturally. When you trust the process, you align your energy with the flow of life, making it easier for you to manifest what you desire. The universe will bring you the right people, opportunities, and circumstances at the right time. The magic behind affirmations lies in their ability to shift your mindset, align your energy, and draw the things you desire into your life. By speaking these words every morning, you're not just affirming your goals, you are actively creating a future where those goals are already a reality. The more you repeat these affirmations, the more ingrained they become in your subconscious mind. You begin to see the world through the lens of positivity and possibility, and soon your actions start reflecting that. Before long, the success, abundance, and opportunities you've been affirming will begin to show up in your life in ways you've never imagined. To make affirmations truly powerful, consistency is key. It's not about saying affirmations once and expecting immediate results. The process of manifestation requires dedication and patience. Just like any habit or routine, the more consistent you are with your affirmations, the more ingrained they become in your mindset. By repeating your affirmations every morning, you reinforce the positive belief systems that are needed to create the life you want. Over time, you'll notice that your mind will start to shift, and you'll naturally start thinking in alignment with your desires. Don't get discouraged if things don't happen right away. The more you practice, the more you'll see shifts in your circumstances, relationships, and even your opportunities. Affirmations work best when they are part of your daily routine. This consistency helps to keep your energy aligned with your intentions, ensuring that the law of attraction can work for you. Keep affirming and trust that everything you desire is being drawn to you in the right time and manner. Gratitude is an essential component of any manifestation practice. When you speak your affirmations, add a layer of gratitude to them. Instead of simply saying, "I attract abundance," try saying, "I am so grateful for the abundance flowing into my life." This shifts your energy from wanting to having, and the law of attraction responds by bringing more things to be grateful for. Gratitude amplifies the power of your affirmations because it shifts your vibration to a higher frequency. The more you express gratitude, the more your energy aligns with abundance and positivity. This helps to eliminate any feelings of lack and opens the door for more blessings to enter your life. Gratitude is a powerful way to manifest quickly because it connects you to the present moment, helping you appreciate what you have while drawing more of it into your life. Incorporating gratitude into your affirmations helps strengthen your belief that the universe is already working to fulfill your desires. It's the perfect complement to the affirmations that set your day in motion. While affirmations are incredibly powerful, it's important to understand that they work in harmony with inspired action. Simply saying your affirmations is only one part of the manifestation process. You also need to be open and willing to take action when the universe provides you with opportunities. Inspired action is the type of action that feels right. It's not forced or strained. It feels effortless and in alignment with your goals. You may be guided to take specific steps, whether it's starting a new project, reaching out to a potential collaborator, or making a decision you've been putting off. The key is to act when you feel the urge to do so, and trust that those actions are leading you toward the manifestation of your desires. The universe doesn't always work in obvious or linear ways. Often the inspired action you're called to take might seem small or unrelated to your larger goal. But by following through on those intuitive nudges, you create the conditions that allow your affirmations to come to fruition. Incorporating affirmations into your morning routine has the power to change your life. When you speak positive words daily, align your energy with your goals, and trust in the process, amazing things begin to happen. Keep affirming, be consistent, show gratitude, and take inspired action as opportunities arise. Before long, you'll see your dreams manifest in ways you never imagined. If this content resonates with you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing tips.